In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Contact Form 7 Docusign plugin for WordPress. I will also be showing you how template tags work and how to use them in your document. The first thing to do is to go to your settings and select the Contact Form 7 Docusign settings. Here you will see that we need some API keys to make the Docusign plugin work. To find these keys, simply head over to your Docusign developer account by going to developers.docusign.com. Once logged in, click on the admin button at the top of the page. From here, scroll down and click on the API and Keys button. Here you can find your user ID and API account ID. Simply copy both keys and paste them into the correct fields in your Docusign settings page. Next, click on the Add App button. Here give your app a name and then click on Add. Now you will find your integration key. Copy it and paste it into the integration key field in your Docusign settings. Next, scroll down and click on the Add RSA Key Pair button. This will generate a public and private key. Copy the private key and paste it into the private key field in your Docusign settings. Finally, scroll down and click on the Add URL button. Add the URL of your website and then click on the Save button. Now that you have all your API keys added, you can now save your Docusign settings. If you don't want to use the Docusign API in sandbox mode, remember to uncheck the Enable Sandbox button. Next, go to your Contact Form 7 forms and select the form you want to use. Now click on the Additional Settings tab at the top. By scrolling down, you will now see the Docusign Settings section. Let's start with the template you want to use. Here you can select a docx file that you want to use as your document. This is the document that will be populated with your Contact Form 7 data and sent onto Docusign for signatures. This document must include template tags that you want to populate with your contact form data. Let's take a look inside the document I just uploaded to see how it works. Here is the document I uploaded. As you can see, there are multiple template tags. These tags match name tags in my contact form and will be used to populate data into these areas. You will also see two signature tags. These tags are used by Docusign to insert sign buttons. As you can see, there are two types of template tags. One is the normal template tag that is populated by data in your contact form. These tags use a $sign and brackets tag. Inside the brackets should be the name tag of the field you want to use in your contact form. If we take a look at my contact form, you can see that each field has its own specific name tag. These are the tags which should match the template tags in your document. To add a name tag to a field, you simply type in the desired name tag of that field when creating it. After inserting the new field, you will see it has its own name tag, which should match the one in your document. The other type of template tag is the signature tag. This template tag should only be wrapped inside brackets and should not include the $sign like normal template tags. The signature tag is used to tell Docusign where to insert the sign button on your document. You can find the signature settings by scrolling to the bottom of your Docusign settings page. Now let's take a look at the Only Needs Client Signature options. First, let's start with the unchecked option. If this option is unchecked, then the plugin will use the two signature settings. This setting requires both the admin and the client to sign the document. The signatures will be in a sequenced order, meaning that the admin will receive the signature request first. Once the admin signs the document, it will then be automatically sent onto the client for their signature. This option also has two settings available in the signature settings. Signature 1 for the admin and Signature 2 for the client. Now let's take a look at the checked option. This option is used if you only want to capture the client's signature. The signature request is sent directly to the client. This option only has one setting available in the signature settings section. Signature 1 will be used for the client's signature. The next option is the admin name. This is the name of the person or company who is sending the signature request. Next is the admin email. This is the email address that Docusign will send the first email to, if only needs client signature is unchecked. Next is the client's name tag. This is the name tag in your contact form that you want to use as the client's name. Simply go to your contact form, copy the name tag you want to use and paste it into the client's name tag section. And finally, the client's email tag. Again, this is the email tag in your contact form that you want to use as the email address. This is the client's email address Docusign will send the signature request to. Simply go to your contact form, copy the name tag you want to use and paste it into the client's email tag section. You can now click Save to save your Docusign settings.